To make a withdrawal with Deriv, it's simple. You just gotta log in to the website. I'll leave a link on the description below if ever you don't have an account, so that you can be able to open an account. So we're gonna click on this three icon over here, and then we're gonna go to cash here. That's why we're able to see deposit and withdrawal. But here, we're here for withdrawal. First thing, when you want to do withdrawal, you have to transfer the money that you have. Let's say right now the money is on MT5, so you cannot just withdraw like that. The money must be on the wallet, which is the CR. This is the number, which is the account number where the money must be. The derived SVG, it's the MT5 account, okay, where we are trading the index. All right, okay. So we have to choose. Click on this icon over here, and then let's just transfer one. Okay, let's transfer one so that you can be able to see. You see now we have 12. All right, so it is transferred to the USD, the account that we have. All right, okay. So we're gonna go back to the icons over here: cashier, withdrawal, and then send email so that we can verify it's us who are trying to withdraw. Now we have to go and check our email so that we can verify it's us who are trying to withdraw. Now we have got our email so that we can verify it's us who are trying to withdraw. Remember, you must have your account number, which is the account number from your bank, so that you can be able to withdraw successfully. Right, we're in this portal now, so we have to make the withdrawal right now. And let's just, you see here, the payment option that we have that we can use for withdrawal, it's Pay. So let's choose $10, okay, because the minimum is 10, maximum is $6,000. So the other thing that I want to mention is that it's the account number from your bank. So let's click on Zing. All right, and then we have to select the bank name, which is FNB. You can choose which bank you want to select, but when you're using Capitec, you are using MasterCard. So I recommend for you not to use any card that has MasterCard on it. Use a card which has Visa on it. So we're gonna click on FNB. And then beneficiary name, so you know that you don't have to, you are not actually allowed to use someone's details or account number. You must use your exactly account number or details. All right, so the comments here you can just add if you want to add it. Then if you don't want, let's just try not adding and see what happens, so that you can be able to see. All right, so our payout request confirmation, thank you for your request has been received, will be processed shortly. All right, so we've managed to withdraw our capital. Okay, so we're gonna get it once they process it, and then we're able to have our capital, our money that we withdraw to our bank account. All right, so this is including processing fees. Let's go back. Let us to see the processing fees, because usually they will have to convert that money so that it can go to, it can get to, you see, if they even started here, do not use MasterCard, credit or debit card, okay? So please do not withdraw using credit or debit card in Pay. MasterCard, it's not recommended for you to use it. If ever you face any difficulties withdrawing, please let me know in the comment section below so that I can be able to assist you. All right? Okay. I believe now we are we understand how to make a withdrawal on the Deriv. It's simple as like that. Okay? Be blessed, subscribe, like, comment, share the videos with others, and please do let me know in the comment section below if ever you face any difficulties. And also, you need to verify your account, so you must make sure that your account is verified. If your account is not verified, then you'll have a limit of how much money you can withdraw. Okay, so to remove those limits, please verify your account if you have got the time. But as long as you wanna trade without verifying your account, then it's okay. You can still do that and make withdrawal below the maximum amount that is allowed. Okay, all right. Be blessed. Subscribe, like, comment, share the videos with others.